all across India, the LED screens are flying off. With the thunderstorm, the LED screen is gone. It's fallen on the drum kit, or it's just blown away into the audience or something or the other.
So
And
it's
nobody
really
cares.
interesting to know that there is an association, and you're bringing in the safety factor,
Yes.
which is very, very important. Thank you so much for that. What I would like to say here is, yes, while there are many vendors you bring in from your side, it is always a challenge for the client to pin on a proper vendor. You always take either suggestion from you, and sometimes it's not forthcoming from the event decorator to suggest vendors. So we rely on various people, and that's very tough. In India, each one works in their own silos. There is no coordination, and one guy's mess up can be everybody's. And this is where I would like to mention, like my daughter's wedding. I asked Meena to be there because I was not able to decide on a lot of things. I said, could you help me? She was helping me, whether the production design which was given is, actually technically doable or not, and you don't have. And that's when I was telling her, I also noticed that some of the people in the industry, they said, anything for you, ma'am, we trust you, we kind of, and I personally experienced her knowledge on production and everything. So, and also calling in the right people, whether that is fair price and, is it doable, which helped me suggest that why don't you start something, with event management. And I'm glad she took 4 years to think about it and start. Never, too late. But so, like I said, with every challenge there is a new solution available. Meenakshi had to help. There are now, like you said, the various kinds of things. There are stylists. There are, certain kind of food, like I think she had to do just Marwari food menu consultation, each a South Indian wedding culture, to put it together. So there are a lot of various specifications from the clients now, and to find the right fit there, I think it is need of the day that we have trustworthy event managers who can bring all the specialists together and make a client's job easy. And like you put in a lot of hours, we put in a lot of hours researching as well and staying up. I was famous to know, and they've all put their phones on mute because I start sending messages at 4 a.m. I get all my ideas at 4 a.m. and then they said, we're putting you on mute for night. So it is really, really helpful when somebody like this is there to, help us out. It does help quite a bit. So I would like to ask you, can you share a moment where things came together beautifully, or a time when it's almost fell apart? What helped or hurt that coordination between styling, photography, makeup, and logistics?